Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Wix website step by step clearly. To activate your Wix website, start by logging into your Wix account. Once you are logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Find the website you want to activate from your list of sites. Click on the Edit Site button next to your chosen website. This will open the Wix editor where you can make any last-minute changes. After finalizing your edits, look for the Publish button in the top right corner. Click on the Publish button to initiate the activation process. Wix will prompt you to choose a domain for your website. You can either connect a domain you already own or purchase a new one through Wix. If you choose to connect an existing domain, follow the instructions provided to link it. If you're purchasing a new domain, select the desired domain name and continue with the purchase process. Once your domain is set up, your site will begin the activation process. It may take a few moments for your site to go live. Once activated, you will receive a confirmation that your website is now live. You can now visit your website using the domain name you have activated. That's it. Your Wix website is now successfully activated and ready for visitors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.